Introducing Saddlemen's Ronan body kit for your 04 and up Harley-Davidson XL with a 2.1-gallon tank. Used by professional racers and custom builders because of the trusted quality and attention to detail they have come to expect from Saddlemen. The Ronan bodywork is available as a complete kit as well as the component parts. Each component comes with a black gel coat finish, ready to ride, or simply prep, prime, and paint to your liking. Everything bolts up in minutes with included hardware and detailed instructions. Starting with the Ronan tail section, which is constructed out of premium fiberglass, which exceed marine-grade specification and available in 2 different seating designs, either Saddlemen's Whisper with LS stitch or Saddlemen's CF cover material for the saddle. Simply remove your current seat, fender, and rear struts and replace them with the Ronan tail section. Oil tank or battery cover panels were designed to fit perfectly with the Ronan tail section's contours and body lines. Also constructed using premium grade fiberglass with black gel coat, they are easy to install with all required hardware and instructions included. Next up is the fiberglass tank covers. Perfect for completing the street tracker look or simply concealing a dented tank. These premium covers come ready to ride in black gel coat or can be prepped and painted with your favorite livery. Install takes just a few minutes and instantly upgrades the look of your 2.1-gallon tank. The Saddlemen Ronan body kit is a unique upgrade that will enhance your motorcycle's appearance while improving the quality of your ride for miles and miles. If you want to learn more, simply call, email, or direct message us, and one of our friendly and knowledgeable product specialists will assist you in selecting the perfect Saddlemen seat for your next ride. Call us at 800-397-7709 or email sales@saddlemen.com.